Hey guys, Spike here. So I'm usually all about saving money and doing some stuff that I can do without having to pay a dealership, say thousands of dollars to do. So I've got a little project that I've been working on because I broke my car when I was down on Vancouver Island, and I was quoted anywhere from like 300 to 800 bucks, and that's not including the diagnosis. So I diagnosed it myself and found some videos online and went ahead and did the repair myself. But there was a few items that I wanted to include into the video that other people that may have forgotten. Now, what it is hvac system on my car is broken, so it doesn't matter what button I press, the vents will not change, and I was stuck on floor and vent, which does not help me when it's raining, when I need to get some moisture off the front of my window and apply some heat. I was able to figure it out, but here's the fix. So I went ahead and ordered the part, which you can find. This is the Dorman version, and they're cheaper in the States, but up here in Canada they're like 30 bucks. So after taking it apart, you'll want to put this back in, and there's the wheel. Let's see if I can get it focused. There we go. So there's the wheel. When you pull the wheel out after you take the screw out, I haven't put the screw fully back in yet, but once you take that wheel off, there was no specific way. They didn't explain which direction it went, but I mean, there's only one way to put it because there's actually this little flap here. So when you put it in, this knob has to be towards the driver's side, and it should slide on after you wiggle it in there. One video did notice that you can cut all of this out, and it doesn't really make a difference on the stability of the dashboard, so it's safe to cut this out. Once you put it in there, you'll have to wiggle it quite a bit. There's also one other thing that you should notice, is you should make sure that when the vehicle is on, that you have the correct position of the wheel, because otherwise you will have to spend money at a dealership or a place to get it recalibrated. So when you turn the vehicle on, put it on the correct vents. So if it's blowing out just the vents, put it on the vent. If it's blowing just out defrost, put it on defrost. If it's blowing out these two, put it on these two. You get the point. Mine was on this one, so I checked this one, and then when you slide this gear back in, it will be in the correct position so that you do not need to calibrate it. I just put mine in. This is the spare one because it comes with 2 packs. I just put it in. I did my test. It works. I've got the white gear clipped back in. It's hard to tell with a camera and a light, but basically there's a clip right here, and this metal clip here, you have to make sure that underneath it there's a plastic piece that keeps this gear from popping out too much. And then once you put the metal bracket piece back on there, you should be able to put the screw back on fairly easy. I haven't put the screw fully back on, but I wanted to make sure that it was working before I put it all together, because, you know, smart cookie, right? Anyways, hopefully that helps. I apologize for not making it so that you saw me put it in, but I was just excited and happy that I actually got it to work, and then realized I should make a little quick video and get out there that those little 2 points are known to everybody. Is make sure you've got the correct button pressed when you turn the vehicle off. When you put the new gear in, you do not have to recalibrate it. Mine works perfectly. I've got all my functions back in, and I'm very happy. And I saved myself $1,000 or just under $1,000 or whatever they would have charged me to just put that little arm lever in there. Peace.